To my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing us how to catch a perfect entry for crash 1000 index market. Okay, so if you know one thing about the crash 1000 index market is that whenever market is going in a buy, market moves with a perfect buy. Okay, and whenever market is either making a sell, market moves with a perfect sell. So in today's video I'll be showing us how to take this perfect entry that will help us to scalp the crash 1000 index market on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, as you can see that our target is this particular high here. So we are targeting this particular high here. Okay, remember this is where price actually retraced from. Okay, and price retraced to this particular level here that I've marked. Okay, so I will show us how to spot this particular level and how to target this particular high. Okay, so we are actually going to be trading inside a range. Okay, so we are going to be moving from one particular range, which is this particular one here, to this particular level. Okay, and to take our sell, our buy rather. Okay, now if you notice, you will see that in this particular buy trade here, we are able to spot this particular entry here. Okay, at this particular time. Okay, and the reason is because this particular sell here fail to take this particular low. Okay, so at this point this is called like a shift in market structure. Okay, because price is actually trying to shift the sell, okay, to a buy. So this is like a continuation pattern, okay, to the upside. Okay, now for retail traders they might call this a double bottom here, like we have here, or a double top. Okay, whichever the case may be, the idea behind this is that market is no longer going for a sell anymore. Okay, rather the market wants to continue its movement upward for a buy, because price has actually come from a buy position. Okay, so price is actually making a retracement. Okay, so I'll be showing us how to catch this particular perfect trend buy, okay, on crash 1000 index on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, remember our target is this particular high here, and our stop loss level is actually this particular low here. Okay, but so far so good, price has been going in our direction. Okay, so the first thing we want to do before we come down to the 15 minutes time frame to take this perfect buy entry is to go to like maybe the 4 hour, okay, or the daily, to see what price has been doing. Okay, now if we move to the daily time frame, we'll notice something very important here, that on the daily time frame here we'll be able to spot this particular, on this particular red zone here, we'll be able to notice that price actually crashed from this zone. Okay, so this gives us a confirmation that this particular level here is a very strong level in the market. Okay, so that's the first thing we notice. Okay, and then the second thing we notice, that price came back to buy back to this level. Remember, price now broke out from this level here, as we can see at this particular level. So after price broke out, remember price closed with a sell, but this is a perfect buy momentum candle here. Okay, and then the next candle that opens here actually opened with a little sell. Okay, but price had to push back up. Okay, so this confirms to us now that this particular level here, everything that price will be doing will be supported by this red zone. Okay, so this has been confirmed to be our support level now. Okay, so price is no longer pushing the market downward. Okay, but now we are up to continue our buy. And then if we go to like the 4 hour time frame now, on the 4 hour time frame we'll be able to notice that price actually came back to retest this particular zone. Okay, on the 4 hour time frame, remember after price broke out from that level here, if we go back to the daily time frame, we'll be able to see now that price actually broke out from that level. But on the 4 hour time frame, we'll be able to see clearly that this was a retest here. Okay, so this market actually retested this particular zone here. Okay, and then you will notice that those that thought that this was a sell actually started selling, but price actually closed above this zone. Okay, telling us that market is actually respecting this zone. Okay, and then if you notice, we are able to draw our tool here, this particular tool here, our horizontal line. Okay, remember, this is the name of the tool, it's called a horizontal line. Okay, so this horizontal line just gives us an idea of where price is actually playing through. Okay, and you can see that price is actually playing through this particular lines here. Okay, somewhere around here. And then when we looked at that, we will notice that price actually tested this support level, and then price actually bought up to this particular level. Okay, so when we saw that, we noticed that if price is ever going to take any direction again, it will still be to the upside. Okay, and that was why we had to wait for price to retrace a little. Okay, so after price retrace, what we want to do now is to go to like the 1 hour time frame. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, we will notice that this was our sell candle here. Okay, so price actually sold up to this particular level and touched our horizontal line. Remember, this is our horizontal line, this particular blue line. Okay, and then what price actually did was a confirmation to the fact that price is still wants to go up. Okay, so you can notice that when price touched this horizontal line here, price started buying. Okay, the same is true when price came back to test back this horizontal line, price bought up a little. Okay, and then the next candle, the next 1 hour candle, is our confirmation candle. Okay, to tell us if price is going to continue for a buy or a sell. Okay, and how do we know that? We will notice that after price closed with this particular buy, the next candle started buying. Okay, but actually closed with a sell, but this sell failed to take out this particular low here, guys. So this sell failed to take this particular low. So after we saw that, then the next thing we have to do is, this is where we notice that our shift in market structure actually took place. Okay, so we are just going to highlight that here, and then go to either the 30 minutes and then the 15 minutes time frame to see what price is actually doing. Okay, so on the 30 minutes time frame, we will be able to notice that this particular sell candle here, okay, remember this is like a pin bar, but this pin bar failed to continue the sell downwards. Okay, and then market was actually engulfed by this particular sell candle here. Okay, so this particular sell candle here tells us that market is not willing to take out this particular low. Okay, and that was why we noticed that after price closed with this particular sell, market started buying upward. Okay, so although we have a crash now, we are still going to be holding on to this trade because our target is still this particular high here, guys. This is where we anticipate price to get to. Okay, so and that is why we are still going to be making use of risk management. If price should come and take out this level, then definitely we'll have to spot another entry where we'll take a price. But for now, we are going to be holding this trade and waiting for price to get to our take profit level. Okay, so after spotting this, then what we want to do now is to go to the 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, we will notice that this particular candle here started buying. Okay, and then the next candle here that opened sold a little, but we'll notice that this is where market started shifting for a continuation buy. Okay, and that was why you notice that we are in this buy trade. Okay, so whatever market is doing now, market is actually trying to retest back to this same particular level here. If we go to the 1 minute time frame here, we'll be able to spot like an order block. Okay, on the 5 minutes time frame here, we have like an order block that price is actually retracing back to. Okay, remember this was like the last order block here on the 5 minutes time frame that actually pushed price upward. Okay, now market is coming back to retest this same order block. Okay, so we can still decide to take more sell buy position. Okay, but I'm not going to be opening more buy position because of our account and our equity. Rather, we'll just decide to hold this trade. Okay, and then we can refine our stop loss to have like a very tight stop loss, since we do not expect price to take out this particular order block. Okay, so if price takes out this particular order block, it therefore means that we are now in the manipulation phase. Okay, but for now, we are just going to hold this trade and expect price to come and take out this high, and then ultimately for price to come back and take out this particular high, guys. So guys, this is how we are able to spot this entry, and this is how we want to take our trade. Okay, so please guys, make sure you backtest out this strategy first of all for. Ultimately, if we look closely, we will notice that we have an order block. Okay, so this is even a strong confirmation when you have an order block inside of another order block. Okay, remember this is our order block here. Okay, remember we are having two order block, the one here on the 30 minutes time frame and the one on the 5 minutes time frame that we are able to spot. Okay guys, so guys, please make sure you test out this strategy first on whatever market you want to trade with this strategy. Okay, and also do not forget to like this video, do well to share this video. Okay, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so now. Okay, and also please do not forget to leave a comment in the comment description. In any aspect that you might have an issue, let me know, and definitely I'll do a video on that. So thanks guys for watching this video, and I'll see us in my next trading video.